If cheetahs were to go extinct tomorrow, the African savanna wouldn't just lose a legendary athlete, it would lose its precision engineer. We often think of extinction as the end of a single lineage, but in nature, it is more like removing a vital gear from a complex machine. The engine keeps turning for a while, but the friction starts to tear the whole system apart. The cheetah's role in the wild is unique because, unlike other predators, they don't rely on brute force. They are the specialist hunters of the grasslands, targeting specific prey. If they vanished, we would witness a phenomenon known as a trophic cascade. Without the constant evolutionary pressure of the world's fastest predator, a number of herbivore populations would skyrocket. At first, this might seem like a win for most herbivores, but nature has a way of punishing overabundance. Beyond the immediate environmental impact, the loss of the cheetah would represent a staggering blow to genetic diversity. Cheetahs are already biological marvels and mysteries. They survived a near-extinction event roughly 10,000 years ago, leaving them with incredibly low genetic variation. This makes them a walking laboratory for scientists studying how species can survive extreme genetic bottlenecks. Losing them means losing the answers to how life adapts to its own fragility. We would be closing a book on evolutionary history before we finished reading the most important chapters. Furthermore, the extinction of the cheetah would create a massive economic and emotional void. For many local communities in Africa, the cheetah represent pride and a cornerstone of the ecotourism industry. These animals draw people from across the globe, providing the financial incentive to protect vast swaths of wilderness. Without the big cat appeal, funding for conservation often dries up, leaving other, less charismatic species without the umbrella of protection that cheetah conservation provides. The departure of the cheetah would also shift the balance of power among remaining predators. Lions and hyenas are opportunistic and will often steal a cheetah's kill. Without the cheetah to do the heavy lifting of catching the fast-moving prey that larger cats struggle to snag, the competition for remaining food sources would intensify. This could push other predators into closer contact with human settlements, increasing human-wildlife conflict and leading to further loss of life on both sides. Ultimately, the extinction of the cheetah wouldn't just be the loss of a beautiful animal. It would be the silence of the savanna's heartbeat. It would lead to a landscape that is less green, less diverse, and far more chaotic. We protect the cheetah not just because they are magnificent, but because they are the guardians of a delicate balance. Their survival ensures that the wild remains truly wild, reminding us that in the natural world, every link in the chain, no matter how specialized, is holding the entire world together.